folks, I ran over the border today. Picked up a set of... My hands are all dirty. My face is all dirty. Picked up the brakes for this bike. Picked up the mail. I didn't realize it was Canada Day for July 1st. And anyway, I got a thing in the mail. It said save like $20 if you spend like $50 or something. I don't know. Ace Hardware. So what I did was seeing as let me show you this. This is a 10 millimeter wrench. See it? 10 millimeter. This is a 10 millimeter socket. Long one. This is a 10 millimeter socket. Well, you know what happened? My regular sockets, which I only have 11 millimeter, because you know that old online myth about losing 10 millimeter wrenches? Well, I think 10 millimeter sockets. Well, I lost my 10 millimeter wrench. So I bought a whole set. I even bought, did I buy this one? Yeah. I bought an extra 10 millimeter wrench. I also picked up a set of Craftsman with the little gear drive in there. So they were cheap. I don't want to buy Snap-on quality. I bought a whole set like this. They were like, I don't know, a couple of bucks, plus my super duper coupon that I saved $20 on. It was on sale. Ace Hardware. I got all these metric sockets for under $50. Plus it goes with my black Craftsman. But anyway, I lost the 10 millimeter socket. I lost the 10 millimeter wrench. I found one of my other sockets, and it's like, are you kidding me? How in the hell does like a 10 millimeter socket disappear? How the hell is that possible? Like, I thought it was a joke. Like, I literally thought like, it's a good old online joke, losing freaking sockets. No. And this stupid machine here is got metric bolts because it's a Honda in Japan. So it's like either 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 18 or whatever hell millimeter. And I just keep having that. So I've resorted to putting them all in a bucket. Right now the bucket's my table. So with that said, there's going to be a whole shitload of these all over my garage. 10 and 10. Long. They were like $3 each or something. I don't know. So these are good for the rear brakes, the front thing, I think the battery box, there's like 100 places to use these, I think. And I think the 12 mm on the front, there's the little rubber things to hold the headlight in. Those are 10 millimeter. It's like, it just doesn't end. And I noticed too, I haven't worked on machines that had bolts and nuts in a long time. But I noticed that like this, like, oh yeah. I've always had cheap sockets. So when you're using them and you're like, oh, it just falls off. I never realized they made ones that stay on there. So that's kind of handy. Like, I'm an amateur. I'm late in life with sockets. But this is cool. Like, you can just dump it like that and it stays on or off. I thought it was cool. I was like, hey, I never noticed that. And then you try to take it off. I'm like, shit, I gotta push the button. But yeah, I'm sure all you like tool heads who've been working on cars for 400 years knew about this button, but some of us don't work on cars all the time. I'm just working on a big red. So anyway, got some wrenches. They seem to be pretty good. I'm pretty sure like whatever company makes these, it's just amateur quality. I mean, it's what? Craftsman, made in, I don't know, Taiwan, Japan, Indonesia, China. Probably nowhere in America. It came with a fancy plastic holder, but really, like the plastic holder was so thick it wouldn't even fit in my tool drawer. So I just told the guy at the counter, I chucked it. I was like, you know what? There's wrenches all over there's metric wrenches all over my floor right now. With that said, you probably heard me babble enough about wrenches. See, oh yeah, you can do the little thing in the store. There we go. Whee! It's like a switchblade. Okay, enough shenanigans. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave rude comments, good comments, nice comments. Leave any kind of comment. When you comment, it helps the algorithm. So thanks for watching. Toodles.